a P8. He finally admitted that his iPhone 5S is kind of shit.
No, this thing is a bomb, but I think it's time to upgrade,
And he got himself a 64 gig memory card. It can take up to 128, is it?
Yes. So how do you open this box now? Where do you start?
I don't know, bite it or something. Are you excited for your new phone?
Yeah, I'm excited.
You're not that excited because you already opened the first one, isn't
yeah,
it?
that's why. I think the excitement died off a little bit, but still it's a new phone. I like the casing, it's quite hard, quite decent casing.
Huawei.
Yeah. And this is the ultimate flagship.
It's not. This is like the Enzo Ferrari. The P9 is like the La Ferrari. So you got the old flagship, but it's still very nice. So what else is in the box?
They put a screen protector on, if I'm not mistaken. Check here the cable. Does it look like a screen protector there?
Yeah, it got a screen guard already.
Okay, cool. So I just need to get a
Cover.
cover.
Normally they give you like a gift for it, but
This time no gift.
yeah, the Cape Town people are mean. What's in there?
Okay, now I don't need this. I just need to clip more,
What's in there?
No, some of them
Just instructions. Oh yeah, you never need those.
manual, so you're used to.
So what accessories you got?
All nice earphones. There's normal charger. And this is the pin to insert a new SIM card. So let's just get the pin out quickly. Here's the pin.
Just press straight down, is it? So the only problem with this is that you can't take the battery out.
In fact, which is good.
Why? I actually like to take my battery out and replace it. You know, sometimes when you can't charge your phone.
Same as the iPhone, it operates.
Okay, so the P8 up and running. How many megapixel camera, William? You just bought this phone and you don't even know your specs. It has quite a nice screen, but it's not too bad. I think it's 5.3 inch screen, 16 gig on board, 3 gig RAM, 1080p recording. I think it's still using the old software though. Resolution Full HD version 5. Yeah, you see that's quite old. Lollipop. But I'm sure that can be updated. So did you get new data?
Nope.
Let's see how much data he has left. Okay, you still have a lot of data. You have over 1 gig data, another 2 gig for social media, 50 SMSs, which nobody uses, 10 gig of Wi-Fi, and then you can still call them, alright? And you can call other telecom numbers for free. I like the way the phone feels though. It feels very nice. Like it feels like solid, good build quality.